Hello learners, the topic is control statements. So here we'll have a simple if statement, if-else statement, nesting of ifs, and else if later. We may have switch case statement also. So basically these statements, what they'll do. So it'll check some condition there. Basing on the condition, if the condition is true, the control will flow to a particular line. And if the condition is false, the control will be transferred to some other location. So this control statement, the name itself will tell you that it controls the flow of execution. The processor, when it executes something, it will check the condition, and if it is true, it will go to a particular location. If it is false, it will go to some other location. So that's why it is control statements. So let's not wait. So let's see the first statement, if-else statement. So see the expression here. See the mechanism. If expression or the condition. So if the condition is true, for example, the condition is true, then it will go to here. The processor will, of course, the processor will execute line after line, right? So first of all, when the processor checks the condition, and if the condition is true, for example, A is 10 and B is 20. A is 10 and B is 20. And the condition is A less than B. That is true, right? A is less than B. So if A is less than B, so then it is true. So then it will go to the statements in this body. So this is the body, opening brace and closing brace. And if the condition is true, it will go here. But if the condition is false, so this is the true condition. And if the condition is false, it will go to the else block. If it is true, go here. If it is false, go to this else block or this body of the else block. So this is the body of the true block. This is the body of the false block. It may contain n number of statements. Okay, so that is a simple, very simple, nothing much complex here. So if it is true, it will go here. If it is false, for example, if it is 20 and 10, then A less than B is false. If A is 20 and B is 10, if A less than B is the condition, then 20 is not less than 10, it is greater. So if it is that is a condition, it is false, and it will go to the else block. So the process will not go here then. It will not go here if it is false. Directly it go here. It leaves that. So that's the thing. Like the control statement means the control is transferred from one location to another one, depending on the condition, the true or false conditions. Okay. Now, so this is the thing. So for this, we have a small program here. Let's understand. So void main, we all know it, int number, printf enter an integer. For example, yes, they have asked, no? So printf enter integer. So you should know it by this time. So this is the option given by the programmer to the end user. Some other person, some other second person or third person. Okay. End user we can call otherwise. So you want to enter 7. So when I see the printf enter integer, I want to print a whole number, right? Maybe plus or minus what is there, but I want to enter a positive integer otherwise. Okay, 7 I've entered. So that 7, see the scanf, it reads this 7. The percentage D means, scanf percentage D means it should be an integer number. It will read the value, whatever you enter from the keyboard, dynamically, it reads it. So the 7 is given to ampersand of number, ampersand symbol it is. Ampersand means address of. So number is created first of all with this line at some address 343, and then scanf. So I have entered some value on the monitor using a keyboard 7. But scanf, what it will do, it will scan it, it will read it. 7 is taken to the address of number. Address of number is what? 343. So 7 is placed here, which is an int. Percentage D tells it is an integer number. Good. So number, this integer number got a value 7 now. Now the next line. So we need to understand line after line after line slowly. So if number percentage 2, we have already seen the operators in the earlier videos. Number percentage 2 means 7 percentage 2. So 2 3 is 6. The remainder is 1. So number 7, the remainder is equal, if it is equal to 0. Number percentage 2 what? Means it gives the remainder. Number percentage 2. Percentage will give the remainder 1. So here it is 1. Is equal to 0? No, 1 is not equal to 0. So it's false. So then it will not go to the true block here. It will skip it. It will go to the else block where we have printf percentage d is an odd integer. What is number here? What is number here? Number is 7. So 7 will be given to this percentage d, of course. We have been seeing all the time. So number is the value of number, whatever that is there in this one. So that is passed to what? This percentage d. So 7 is an odd integer. It prints like that. Okay. So that is that. So it prints 7 is an odd integer. If at all I give 7. Fast we'll do for the 8 also now. So let's give 8. So number will have 8 at 343. So now I'm testing with 8, some other input now. So why? Because let's check it. So scanf. So it is after after I enter the value of 8, it scans and keep the value of 8 in the number variable, sorry. And then if number percentage 2, yes. So 2 with 8, what will happen? To force 8, 0. Remainder 0. So now we got the remainder as 0 here. So 0 is equal to 0. Yes, that's true. If it is true, we will enter percentage d is even integer. What is number here? Number is 8. So 8 will be passed to this percentage d. So 8 is an even integer. Even number, odd number. This program is to simply to identify the odd integers and even integers. The small program using if-else statement. So if you enter 8 value, it gives us 8 is an even integer. If you enter 7, it prints as odd integer. Like that, we can segregate the odd and even integers using small if-else statement. So let's not wait and let's execute the program now. So yes, let's see the thing now. The same program I've written here. So we'll work with the same 7 and 8 now. So if you enter 7, it says 7 is an odd integer, as we already understood there. And then if at all we enter 8, let's enter 8 also. 8 is an even integer. Fine. So this is simple if-else statement. So hope you have understood. Yes. So practice yourself and it will make you a perfect programmer. Okay. All the best. See you all. Bye-bye.